It's just delicious. I'm excited and I'm starving. Hi, I'm Clodagh McKenna and I'm going to share with you a delicious recipe called a frittart. It is halfway between a frittata and a tart, but it's much more substantial because it's got smashed potatoes as the base instead of pastry. I've selected some of my favourite ingredients from the Tesco Finest range that really amplify the recipes. Let's get cooking. I've got some gorgeous baby potatoes that I'm popping into boiling salted water to cook completely until they're lovely and tender. And then the filling. It's all about the filling. The main ingredient that brings all the flavour home in the frittart is the Tesco Finest alderwood smoked streaky bacon. The bacon is traditionally hand-cured with Cornish sea salt. It is air-dried and matured for 19 days. I crisp it up first with a little bit of olive oil, and all of a sudden then all of the beautiful smells. Sweet but also quite mild of the alderwood smoke is so good. While that's crisping, I'm going to slice up a leek, an onion. Now I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit on this. In about 10 minutes, I want to be able to taste a leek and to taste that gorgeous alderwood smokiness. So while that's cooking, I'm going to whisk up my Tesco Finest golden yolk eggs. Ooh, look at the colour of them. And now I'm adding in creme fraiche. Whisk those in. And next, Coastal Bite award-winning cheddar, which is so good. It's got like lovely crystally caramel notes to it. Then we want some sea salt and some pepper, and whisk all of this together. They are ready to rock and roll. You know they're cooked when they become really gorgeous and silky. I feel for me, in the winter time, the nights are colder. You don't want to go out as much. You want to be inside. And it's so easy to create that with just these really simple dishes. While that's cooling, it gives me time to get my potatoes ready. They're cooked, so I'm just going to drain off the water, and then I'm going to smash up the Tesco Finest potatoes in the cake tin, and I just push them right down to create the base, and then I bring them up a little bit at the side so you've got a little edge. And now let's finish this off. So I've got my leeks, onions and smoky sweet bacon. Make sure everything gets really, really well combined together, and then in that goes. We're going to spread this evenly out like so. You can never have too much cheese, so I'm putting just an extra grating on top. I'm going to pop this into the oven to bake for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Look at that gorgeous crispiness around the edging, and the colour of those eggs are amazing. You know, when you bring this cake-like frittart down to the middle of the table, it just always gets like these wows, and it's a real crowd pleaser. It's all about the quality ingredients for this. And finishing it off with a sprinkle of chopped chives, which will bring a gorgeous freshness to it. I love the simplicity of serving this dish. It's so perfect for sharing. The perfect bite. The flavour from the alderwood bacon has infused the whole frittart. Sweet, mild, delicious smokiness. And there you have my frittart, the perfect sharing dish for family and friends.